So, cloaca is an opening. Here's this opening in this male. This is the cloaca. This is the cloaca in the female. Urinary bladder looks really different between the two. This is the urinary bladder in the male, this lumpy looking thing. Little bumps on it. The female's was full when she was preserved, so it's much bigger and thinner. So that's the bladder in the female. Kidney in the female is here, the gray structure with a lot of blue in it. Okay, and in the male, it's a little easier to see. It's here, kidney. So the cloacal glands are on either side of the cloaca in the male, and you can see in here that there's a lot of gel in those cloacal glands. Then the testes is here, this structure. And it's paired, of course, there's one over here. The cranial end of this is where the epididymis is. And then this curly structure behind is the ductus deferens. Now this membrane here that kind of connects the testes to down here, this is the mesoorchium.
Okay, so what?
Mesoorchium. And you can't see them clearly with your eye, but there are thin tubules that go through there. Those are the efferent ductules. Okay, that's all the male structures. Then in the female, the ovary in this particular female is very mature, so she's popping out a large amount of mature ova. But this tissue here is part of the ovary, and you can see where it attaches, similar to here, the mesoorchium. That's the ovarium. So that kind of helps you identify exactly where that ovary was. So what happens when these mature ova mature, they sort of pop out of the ovary and are in the body cavity itself. Then they travel upwards to right up here. This is the opening to the oviduct, and that's called the ostium. Ostium is the opening. And so then they'll travel down through this very long oviduct, all this here, and they'll get jelly layers and get fertilized, and then they'll leave through the cloaca. A couple more structures on the kidney for the female. There are, so on the lateral edge of the kidney, there's a duct, which you can almost see right here. That duct is the mesonephretic duct, and between that and the kidney are these tiny, not visible to the naked eye, urinary collecting tubules. And then finally, within the cloaca, there are these small finger-like structures called the cloacal papillae.